In today's fast-paced technological landscape, software development demands speed, agility, and unwavering reliability. Traditional development models often struggle to keep up. DevOps emerges as the solution, breaking down barriers and fostering a culture of collaboration. This innovative approach streamlines the software development lifecycle, leading to faster delivery, higher quality, and increased efficiency. DevOps is more than just a set of tools. It's a cultural shift that emphasizes communication, automation, and continuous improvement. By bridging the gap between development and operations teams, DevOps enables organizations to deliver software faster and more reliably. This essay explores the core principles and benefits of DevOps, delving into its transformative impact on modern software development. We'll examine how DevOps empowers teams to work together seamlessly, automate key processes, and continuously improve their workflows. Join us as we unravel the power of DevOps and its role in shaping the future of software development. DevOps practices offer a compelling solution to the challenges of modern software development. By fostering collaboration, automating processes, and emphasizing continuous improvement, DevOps unlocks a new level of efficiency and agility. Let's explore the key benefits. Faster development and deployment. DevOps streamlines the development and deployment process through automation and continuous integration/continuous delivery, or CI/CD. Automated pipelines build, test, and deploy code changes rapidly, reducing lead times and accelerating time to market. Improved collaboration and communication. DevOps breaks down silos between development and operations teams, fostering a culture of shared responsibility and open communication. This collaborative environment enhances problem-solving, speeds up issue resolution, and ensures everyone is aligned towards common goals. Increased automation. Automation is a cornerstone of DevOps, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. Tasks like testing, code deployment, and infrastructure provisioning are automated, freeing up teams to focus on innovation and higher-value activities. The DevOps lifecycle is a continuous loop, emphasizing collaboration and improvement at every stage. Let's break down the key phases. First, plan. The journey begins with a clear plan, defining project goals, requirements, and timelines. Development and operations teams collaborate closely to outline a shared vision. Next, development teams write and test code, leveraging version control systems like Git to track changes and collaborate effectively. Then, build code is built into an executable format, often involving compilation and dependency management. Automated build tools streamline this process. After that, automated tests ensure code quality and functionality. Continuous integration, or CI tools, automatically run tests whenever code changes are committed, catching errors early in the development cycle. Next up, release. Thoroughly tested and stable software is packaged and prepared for release. This may involve deploying to staging environments for final checks. Then, deploy. The application is deployed to production environments, often using automation tools like Kubernetes or Docker to manage containerized applications. After that, operate. The application runs in production, with monitoring tools tracking performance and ensuring smooth operation. Finally, monitor. Continuous monitoring collects data on system health, user behavior, and application performance. This feedback loop provides valuable insights for future improvements. DevOps is more than just a buzzword. It's a fundamental shift in how software is developed and delivered. By embracing collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement, DevOps empowers organizations to achieve unprecedented levels of speed, quality, and efficiency. The benefits are undeniable: faster time to market, reduced risks, improved collaboration, and enhanced customer satisfaction. While implementing DevOps requires cultural change and investment in tools and training, the rewards far outweigh the challenges. As technology continues to evolve at an exponential pace, DevOps will play an increasingly critical role in enabling organizations to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing the principles of DevOps, businesses can unlock their full potential, deliver exceptional software experiences, and thrive in the ever-changing digital landscape.